Hey guys, welcome back to SweetGemLife channel. Today we are setting up for the month of August using this kit from LexieKylee Designs. Here I have a monthly kit, a notes kit, some sidebars, some extra add-on sheets. We'll go up through it all in just a minute. Please go ahead and take a minute. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell next to it so you can turn on your notifications and get notified of all of my uploads. So let's jump into this. We will take a look at the monthly kit. Now, LexieKylee does her monthly kits on a pre-order situation. You're gonna have to be quick on the draw. She usually announces her pre-sales through her Facebook page, from her Instagram page, and they go quickly, and the window is very small. Here is the notes kit. You know I'm loving all of this pink and this leopard. Y'all know this is the key to my heart. We've got some habit trackers over here. I've not used any in this format, but I'm interested to see how it turns out. We've got the main, currently, watching, reading, listening, feeling, loving, and planning. And over here it says, love her, but leave her wild. That's my motto. So here, you can choose one or both of the sidebars. This is the deco sidebar. This is obviously more functional. I never really know, and since this was pre-ordered probably the beginning of June, I decided to get them both, and I said I would just decide when I was ready to lay down the kit. So we've got both of the sidebars. These are add-ons. This is a box add-on. This is the lifestyle add-on. And this is the financial add-on. And then this is just I guess a double box, and this was a freebie. Oh, and we've got some scripts that come with the notes kit. So let's get started. First, we're gonna go ahead and set up our monthly view. Okay, we're back. We've got our date dots down. Now let's choose a sidebar. I want to do the functional, but I don't think I'm going to need it this month, so I think I'm going to stick with the deco. And if worst case scenario, I need more space, what I'll do is I'll use the box add-on to add some things here. So, do we want to use this, or where are our boxes? They are the same, so let's use, for birthdays, what do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 birthdays. we've got 4 flags. There we go. Oh, we've got some birthday flags up here, but there's only 2. Interesting. Now let's go with these. Okay, so oh, there's one already here. I don't have to write anything in. That the kids should go back in school and the parents should have an option. I do agree that the parents should have an option. I do agree that the teachers should probably be available in the school. And that's all I have to say about it. Everybody is very touchy about the subject, and I just don't have time to be arguing with anybody over their opinions. You're entitled to them. Doesn't mean you have to be rude about it. So I'm just going to shut up about that. So back to school is the 17th here in South Carolina, at least in Sumter County. And I think this is all we have going on. I might have some appointments. I have no idea. So let's move on. And if we remember anything else, we shall come back. Let's move on to our notes page, which is this way. No, this way. These new planners are confusing. Okay, let's use this washi strip here, kind of separate, get some kind of separation, darling. Okay, so we are done there. So we've got our notes page, we've got our this month page, and then that jumps into our weekly spreads. There is plenty more I need to be adding here, but not right now. Let's take a look at these lifestyle and financial. Y'all know I usually have a whole nother spread in my deluxe monthly for that. So we are pretty much done here. What is the monthly pre-sale? Okay, so we want to mark the monthly pre-sale, which is usually the 10th. Will be somewhere around this weekend probably. So we're gonna mark this here. In the worst case, at least we know we can pull it up. So that is everything. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.